All right, this is a Evolution mag drill going in my welding table. It's a 5/8 bit. Some of you guys have never seen this before. This is the center bit here. It's kind of like, it's not spring loaded, but it does go up inside. So once you're running the drill bit, running the drill, it doesn't actually go down into the material. It stays up. So it's magnetic based, so the magnet's on. Once the magnet's on, now you can't see that because there's a plug in there. I'll get that out. All the holes are drilled. Didn't do the corners because the posts are here, the 4x4 posts of the welding table. So I wanted to leave those there. And also gives me a nice, decent sized area without any holes in it to do anything. Each corner the same way. There's 113 or 130 holes total. Tabletop's 4x5, 1/2 inch thick. Thanks for watching.